kuru tuje tugakuretera umbujire.
Emeto y'amakuru ne kukibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji nibashomese bw'abakugu kandi baheba omugisha kwekwatira mu bibari kwega.
Agacencwire ishengero ryahinguza kutwara amahiga ya UPDF omwihanga rya South Sudan. President Museveni akiriyo mu cyanga cya Bunyoro arambuye iremero miliyoni ekorwa ahaca icyo mupira.
We have given them the money is available, so that's not a problem at all.
Omugera kagera gorekerire kwerekera nibanagamo kasasiro.
Injura yanegwa amiziga umutunga gutwara ebimwe kasasiro.
Emeto y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji nibashomese bw'abakugu kandi baheba omugisha kwekwatira mu bibari kwega.
Agacencwire umbujire mukuru w'ihanga Uganda John Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na mama Janet Minister w'ibyo gwegese n'emzano batongwize emirimo y'ekicayi cy'empira ya AFCON 2027.
Ekicayi kirikuza kuzanirwamu emipiira y'amahanga ga Africa ya AFCON 2027 kikatandika kwombeka omu kyaro kya Kyarugwiru mpara omu rurembo rwa Hoima omu kwezi kwa Nyirurwe omwaka gwa 2024 kandi nikiteekateeka kuha omu kwezi kwa Muzimbezi omwaka ogu. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni hamwe na mama Janet Museveni batongwize emirimo y'okukorwa ha kishayi eki kandi basiimire kampuni ya Suma eyebembire emirimo egi.
We only did Nambore some years ago, and the sports have come up mainly because of the general programs of the country. By bringing peace, many sportsmen have had time to come up. By expanding the educational facilities, the schools have produced many sports people. But in terms of infrastructure, we have not done so much, except Nambore, which is what we worked on deliberately.
I believe that once this facility is completed, it will add so much value to the development of sports in our country and more to this region in Bunyoro. Your Excellency, on behalf of the government of Uganda, allow me to extend appreciation to the late Dr. James Rujumba, who donated 10 acres of land, as well as the Federation of Uganda Football Association, FUFA, for the additional 10 acres given for the establishment of this stadium complex.
Omurimo gw'okwombeka ekishayi ekikuri aha bicweka 38 aharigana.
This company, Suma, seems to be a serious company. They have done a good work in a very short time. I want to congratulate them. We have given them the money. The money is available, so that's not a problem at all. So therefore, I want to thank everybody. To catch up, we talked about the hotel beds and the hospital. So people who collapse and drink too much alcohol. Then you also talked about the access roads.
enganzi y'ihanga Robin Nabanja aina amatsiko ngo ekishayi cyaba cyahwire nkija kongera amanumbi y'oburambuzi omucwekeki.
Beyond football, this stadium will stimulate economic activities in Hoima and the entire Bunyoro sub-region. It will attract investors. I know it will create jobs. It has already started. Like they have told you, a number of our people are working here and boost tourism.
From very beginning, we approached this project with the highest level of professionalism, innovation, and dedication. Our goal is not just to build stadium, to create world-class sport facilities.
Ekishayi kiri mu rurembo rwa Hoima hihi n'ekishayi ky'enyonyi kya Kabariga kandi cyaba cyahwire nikija kuba nkishitamusa abantu emitwaro ebiri. Amakoraga gashakwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.
Ambrose embera y'omujero gwa Kagera neerarikiriza ahabwa abatura abari kutura hihi nayo okugumana banagamu kasasiro.
Gwa Kagera gukirizeyo kushishwa omutawuni kanso ya Kikagate omuri Singiro South kandi aho abatura kishanjirwe ngo Kagera bakagihindura umwanya gwo kunaga mu kasasiro ahabo kuba town kanso ekarema kurundana kasasiro eji
kwe kumara kukanya enjura yanegwa amiziga umutunga gutwara ebimwe mu kasasiro omuri Kagera ukimara kutwara abantu kasasiro omuri Kagera hatituma abantu batanka kunywa miziga marofa.
Hona nkigambo ngo abatura bizire nibarwara indwara zitari zimwe na zimwe nka typhoid kandi akakumuntu bakatunga ameza garukurwa mu mujerogo
ako mu kasasiro nimwe twihira za typhoid akangabe birwire byinshi ebiteganisa amagara gaba ngwenyo njyangu kanso itakabanze kuja kushoroza esente ebanzerebe nyuma harhata etereze imbera z'abantu tubase kuturaki
hata batura n'abashubuzi abaherero umwanyogo batandikire hururu yo kuyonja umwanyogo n'ekigendererwa cyo kuhwera umujerogo otahwerekera
mwene twagezaho kugira kitwa amari kugira ngo protecting amizigita kwano go tukozesa protecting ebisasirebe twashanga bimwe byagwiremo kandi twagezaho kuyame byabitakagwiremo kugira ngo amizigita ga protecting egabonere Kagera yitweje kumu kugireba hanuye hakwa tuma Kagera no mugera muhango muno kandi okuyamba abantu bingi atwakora projects za government ezikorebwaho niba generating amashanyarazi antuye hamizi kandi abamizi agimkanika kosebwa n'abantu benyine hati bashangambu nibanagamwe bisasiro banagamu umuntu yayiza kweyamba kanaga mu miza aganiza kushanga abantu bandi banywa mizi nkaga bakunywe birofu
abahona borekere okwerarikirira ahabo kubo buherezo burukurwa mu mizaga oburuma amashanyarazi ameza gari kumanywa nka Kagera Water Project nibabasa kurara byateganisibwa ahabo akasasereje
amizi agarenga za kwetora Isingiro district yona nagonga rwo mu Kagera mwe ntiyongezeho kugira ngo tuboneze Kagera yitu egume ebonire
so nabo cyo tuzakumantwisha tumwe turambure imyanya kuranko kweri akwetagisa twaseka mutero muranga abatakabije batwatiro.
Meya wa town kanseji nagira ngo bine sentenche ngo kandi batwire no bahandikira ministry hanshongeji ngo baheche motoka cyo kuyora kasasuro beitutera kubagaruka
konka kurga twahandika kandi baranka gitayo kurga thandika tibakatugaruka muga
ndrusu nwamanya
Webare Ruthi President Museveni akaraganisa abanyabweju okubakorera enguto ya koransi okurulaba bwizibwera nyakambu nsika omwaka gwa 1989 kubasa kubahwera ombyentambura ngubito kusyana hati tine cyarakozirwe
okugamba hakuraganisa kw'enguto kabura kukorwa nobwa bakacikwa karukure by'enguto mu ishenjero rihanga akebimbirweho na Rebutani Kimosho MP wa Kazo Katayire district eze kandi bakarambura uruguto urwo
konka mazima gakire situation yo nimbe munonga uruguto ndwe twine rumwe rwonka kandi rushemereye kwandi turetere entasya konka ruraganisiwe bwire bwinshi na nabantu bashyiraho kugira akwa masikongusha atari yo ruguto
cyangwa akaciko ka Parliament akabyenguto kija buhwejo karebo bwetaje bwo rugutoro kandi uko kaciko akakora budget kwate sente zenguto kakazitaho nabwo cyato umurimo gwitu gwayangwa tanashe gumana insiba ningamba hanguto nyowenye nkaninga honero urva hato umurimo gwayangwa kwa twagukwa sakachiko ka parliament
urugutoru urwakera mutazana nitano kurgansika ukazanya kishana ukazanya kashaka ukazanya cyabujimbi ukazanya kabirizi government na unura bakarunaga turumu design yabo ibariyo magambo bwati hati toruguto rworikiriye nyuma y'izindi zona
abakatiko baraganisa abanyabweje ngo koranse neza korwa ahabwo kuba president wihanga takuraganisa bishuba
bizi zakozwe zeni zakozwe compensation assessments zakozwe na government neronda aboko funding so tuhamya president ubwakine mu manu menshi tuje kugezaho
there are sections of roads which have large volumes of water. That's an expensive bridges. Local governments don't do bridges. We don't work on bridges. We just have small culverts.
abanyabwejo nabagira ngo urugutoro rubateganisa mbyentunguka
ahubwo ruteganisa munonga umuntu zakorabamo ubwo munapiki amizi gakwita ningo mwiga twari mwetu tubetu no kwerekera kwa kugira ngo kejura kuyakugwa nuruza ko yongera kusisikara
no shange bitoke bigure sentenje ahubwo ruguto kuba rutarunje no shanga buhwejungu motoka nizigenda kasheshe mbarara ninga kawowe zigarako mwabozi wanda kwija buhwejo mwihangwe tukushangaho taxi ninga tukushangaho bus tukushangaho ntambara
urugutoro nuruza kubana urabo mu district ya Mbara buhwejo hamwe na Shema amakuru agagasha kwa Juliet Charles
tugumiza mu namakuru abebembezi n'abazire b'ishome rya St Francis High School omure Buhunga nabashaba government kubakwatiraho kubasa kutunga urembera y'ishomero ryabo rirumu ishomero ryamara imyaka 8 gumumbuhereza kandi ryahansi ya government konka ebyombeko birarire okutera beji kandi government tine cyarabombe cireho
St Francis Buhunga High Senior Secondary School no barabe bari mu mberambe aba bakozire kurunje ebuzo bya senior ya mukaga abo mwaka 10 abenena
babire turebo mu new vision twashanga ngo St Francis Buhunga High School was ranked number 2 in Rugungere district ababiri batsingere nabi machere tubonga mwena batize HTNSA I request you to march forward
Msimastera D-stroke submath 18 points.
Ishomereri kurgari yatambeka government tekatwambe organize zimera kimwe kawicho nicho busasa we have never benefited in terms of any building infrastructure ishomereri kirikari bagana nibiya kwa toilet kandi nicho busasi kawo nicho busasa abo kuba washanga ishimero kutisabana ishimero yine program za USE na Cooperative they know hereza government to supporting but we have not benefited.
I am kindly making an appeal. I am not giving a request. I am not commanding. I am making an appeal. Go and support us because we are also supporting the nation. Go and support us. We are all supporting the nation. Thank you very much.
aba ubwahatse bashaba government okubijuka ebombekire ebyombeko ebirungi ebagurire byuma byo gukoresa no konja kutungura amashomo ga science na technologia babongera bashomesa n'ebindi bikwato kibahwere okongera gukora kurungi ombyo bwegese
challenges zo hano yoreka umugeni mukuru ikirungi waruhurira inchaka yetu antorwana jidi yabambo riyo no genda konga dushaba twaturiyo mu mbundu otkwase tujitere no
it must not have been a good it must not have been an easy journey. It must have been through hard work and so many sacrifices.
St Francis Buhunga yaheze imyaka 8 ahansi ya government mukuru gwo kusima evergire ombibuzo bya Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education abazire nabebembezi bekoziremo murimo barunda na sente okugura enanga ya chapo ahabwishomereri omugandi abazire bakabingo primary school omuri kagangi banda bekozirimo umurimo barundanamo miliyoni 12 okombeka oburaro bw'abashomesa ishomero eri rya musingi gw'ekereziya ahansi ya parish y'ibanda
kanana bashatu mugamba icyo kureberaho eseji iriho ngo tujurunje tunanure kongo umuntu ushango yina kantu kakutegekere
n'enzu emwe erikwenda kuraza abashomesa batano kandi omushomesa nabayineho ekishenge cyo kuraraho ekinabiro sitingi rumu hamwe na ekiyungu enyuma
kandi ishomereri riye n'abashomesa bingi abakurara heru abo batakuraraho umuntu nomwe mwene twabatungira uburaro bw'abashomesa tumanya ngo security y'abana abarukurara aha security y'abeji bona neza kuba yabanunje
John Mubangizi mukuru w'ishomereri nagira ngo obutagera buraro bw'abashomesa kitwe kibateganisa binamasiko ngo buraro bw'abashomesa bwakongera amutindo guyobwegese o mu ishomereri
abana abantu benda obagume hihi
amukuru gukurunda na sentezi Jovelyn Karisa omwezi w'omushuganisa wa PDM nuwe yabari omujenyi mukuru
simarahanga n'ishomero rya gavumenti kandi ngaruka nsima ngo abazire nitwe gavumenti ntukora hamwe naki gavumenti nsime bakuru bishomereri
awa TV West ni Senyomo Gideon na Timothy Mushabe
bare abanyamakuru bitu twaza kumuraho twijene cweka ecya kabiri
agarukurataho ati Bishop Rambert ibintu mugisha nashaba baryo mu tsibo okunyinyizo zo kushaba St Francis High School bukungu muri rukunzire ryo mu Mberambi nabashaba government kubakwera
challenge zo hano yoreka umujeni mukuru w'ikirungi w'Abuja
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Come on, mo pocket, tambula body street, shoes are my target. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. I'm in a plantation, but on a global mission, internet ambition, full condition. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. Oroka shizi goni, netagayo karoni, niga mukafoni, money in the zone. We are what? Unstoppable. We are what? Unstoppable. We are good. Tuli wamu nawe ne MTN ebirubirirwa byaffe tebiremererwa. We are what? Unstoppable. In this sacred month of Ramadan, we reflect, we pray, we give, and we rest. As you observe Suhoor and stand in Tarawih, may your nights be filled with Sakina, your duas be accepted, and your heart overflow with shukr. Let resting on rose-foam mattresses be part of your journey, so you wake up refreshed, ready for another blessed day of ibadah and kindness. Ramadan Kareem from
Rose Farm, a world of beautiful dreams.
Ebiro bikuru ebi sebebona abanyamukago mu kubagana ekyo kunywa kya Red Star Wine. Red Star Wine ni yawe n'urukundo wawe iwe na banywana bawe iwe nyeka yawe hakihuro. Red Star Wine, the taste that lasts. Nekuruwa Silgard Investment Limited. Kadne shango maduka gona omwihanga. Tera noti musanzu ibiri. Mkaga na mkaga. Lotina ata nitano.
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo muremba muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Nichigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha. Bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV, security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire oruguto rwatora katete. Ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 36.
Manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze zenyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Kashonshereche kitu akagamba nitwe ntwenda kureba hanshonga zakatare karugazi akataraka katwireho kumarubwire burengwa Bethona tkarukombekwa kandi kari no mu mbere takusikiriza abashubuzi obuzubu ntwenda kumanya burenkahi kandi hona noha orukujunanizibwa aha kataraka. Umunyamakuru witu Anita atkunda yatayira umwanya gw'akatare karugazi twenda kumwakira mu studio tubase kureba nk'abashubuzi ba Rugazi nibatugambira ki ekizibu nichi na nebindi ko kuba rukwija ku bantu batugambira. Anita twakwakira mu studio.
Serena abwa makuru Agacencwire ayingambira turi omurugazi erizo bantu enda gamba nshonga zakatare ka Rugazi akatara kakatira ku marobwire buringwa kunka bashubuzo mu katara akanu bachi nango nebyo mshuburo tibu kugenda je mnonga twenda gamba abashubuzi kurgo mwanya ogu abebembezi nicekero twakwakira mama amakuru Agacencwire
ninye nakira nyabo
gwencha katare kanyu kwina abashubuzi baki
akatare kitwaka abasubuzi ne bake habwensonga ebintu bakabita muhanda nibabuguruzo mu muhanda kurubata kubuguruza mu muhanda abantu bakabire nibiza bataho mu katare tukora nk'abandi butare konka byabitakargira mu muhanda tutukuza gukora
webare mnonga nsagamba no mushubuzo ndijo atugambire nishonga cyezi kubateganisa enshongera kubateganisa bwencha katare kanyu katakora je katatungukane
ebare madamu ekizibu kiri mu katare ka Rugazi ecyo kubanza katare ka Rugazi kakombekwa kubi aha plan yako ibatireho tikine entry no mutakwana arabo misho takumanya kwa katare kine chikino umuntu harime mdara echa kashatu akatare kakaburwa market order nko kurangu bajya omisho bagurize fresh enyuma bagurize bitakujunda so washanga katare kakona mwene kabashimwa katare ko kahurra kaba mixed up so twakazuka nshango abebembezi ba kanso bamwe kisho akatara kwena ngo akate ka mutindo bakore market order ye mushuburo y'abantu ebitakujunda bizo misho ebikujunda bizenyo medara
bare mnongeze nente kateka z'abantu bito abari omukataraka ntuzagamba n'abandi bantu sebo twakwakira amakuru gita Agacencwire nicyo cyo kwenda kikorwa kureka ngo byo mushuburo byagenda byo mu mwanya wo ninkishaba nkwatira muzindara
nyo nakubire ningira ngo ebyo busubuzi kugenda kurungi no kureba ngo emisoro yakendezibwaho abo kuba emisoro nayo izire yabakare kutuba turi yaho ntukira kubugabugana mu ebintu bingi aba UR soreje yito ya ibintu kutaho stamp bweno sangana bituteganisa icyo kukiza kandi cyarabamu uyo sanga ibintu byateganisa kandi umwe ibintu babire tusanga mwe usanga bamwe bine byabo konka bitaro stamp kandi nkaba kuba ntusubura ahubwo bitusangishaho uyo sanga twabigura kandi haki usanga kandi batutahataha mu batkwata ibatu ya akase ati nyonkabire ningira ngo abo kiri kwataho bine ku bantu ba following ebintu ebyo bakareba ngo buri kimwe cyabaho emisoro yisashuirwe kurungi stamp buri kimwe kine stamp nukwe aba bari kubasa kutambuza ebintu ebikuba bitariho stamp kandi baba kwata tubatambuza abo kubito kutuba turi yaha babireta usanga twabigura tutakukimanya kandi biza bateganisa mbone nkabire ningira ngo umuriye cyo rebuke ngo yatekaho abantu abakubasa kucyondoza ibintu bitine stamp kureba ngo tubyaza mu katare then hata nkitwe nkarugazi noreba nkakatare kitwa rugazi kakafa haza kitwa okushanga ngo abantu buri omowe na akaba umusubuzi ya leta buri kimwe cyona cya babyetoroza katare hata noshanga nkebe bw'umuntu mu katare imiyembe enkimineke nugishanga na muhanda n'abatembeano bagitembea charetera katare kiturugazi kafu
bare mnongeze neshonga z'abantu barugazi nsagambo nabebe mbezi tugambo na buri muntu weno rwenda kwekiteka teko sebo twakwakira
kare nyabo
kwenda kikorweho ebyo buyonjo okombeka byakaho mu kataraka
akatare kitwa rugazi kakombe ko munkore yakare tukagira geti ya hagati abakora bo misho bagira ngo amaduka gariyo misho enyuma tigariyo kuno jawo tukora na kanso ekatera ho geti ya hagati ya katare abantu bita basubuza bakwen bacenge kiriyo munda kandi buri umwe abasa kurebayo bito bwa hati turiyo mwirima abenyuma tubakumanya bo misho umuntu nagiza nahinguro misho ari kuteka teka ngo katare kari amaduka go misho kuno nyuma hari ibindi bintu kandi na geti twine geti ince ndizo geti bakagigaza abantu bitse bakutunga bohereza burungi kutaho umukataro mu kurebe birumu
babare mnonga bwe biteka teko byawe nsagamba no mwabebe mbezo mu rugazi atwenshongaye obaragambire hona n'abakura bucyukwataho nicyo kishemerire korwa kureka ngo abantu bo mwanya gwe byo bushubuzi byagenda gi twakwakira cya pase n'amakuru Agacencwire imwe nkabebe mbeze mukozire woki
itwe nkabebe mbezi nitwe ntugambira abahiguru konka enkora tekuza mujye ntubagambira uburemezo butwine especially nk'imihanda akataro kubura amashanyarazi abantu tubine imihanda kwikoma kagabo kandi na kasasiro aba service providers tibakwika maka habo kuba enguto tuzirumu bakatugambira kwisha kudimarketinga up to now akuba kwihanza bwebe mbeze myaka 2018 okusiana hati bakachikoraga kwisha kudimarketinga abantu bakafune imihanda
nonda bakore cyabebembeza abahiguru
abebembeza abahiguru ntwenda bakutukorera imihanda rugazete bekane ahabo kuba turi hihi na site nito turi hihi ne town konka obuhereza nubuce munonga ombebembezi bita abahiguru
enshonga y'amashanyarazi no buyonje ryete
mbene oburofa burekari abo kuba muntu na parking akasasiro ye agitambika wa mutahiwe kandi ne sente z'aba service providers nazo ni nyingi abantu sometimes tubakuzibasa abo kuba mushubuzi naiza asibo mukatare na no muntu omuko mwe hariho abatarukwebasa atine ntasi yampango yo kugira ngo nabasa kushashura kasasireje mbene ntushabana bo batuchwereho aha sente zibara kushaba abantu
webare mnonga ebyo nevitense by'abantu bo mu rugazi mwebare mnonga kuba nito makuru Agacencwire katugaro mu studio wa Serena na Sande Brian batugumize mu makuru Agacencwire
webare Anita atkunda kandi ebyo byabasa kutushakira kuruga umurugazi zazigenteka z'abantu kandi katugira amasiko ngo bukirukwataho nibija kukorekera kubasika twagumizamu n'agacencire erizoba ishengero ryahinguza okutwara amahoro mu ihange rya South Sudan okubasa kweraho kutereza embera eryo mu ihange eryo obwimucero bukimukaho mu South Sudan bwanyuma y'entaro zenganda okwimuka hamwe nabo abarukakanitsa government eruho
ebyabaho mu rutama rw'ishengero rwabaheri izoba kandi rwakurura mukuru w'empanura z'ishengero Anita Among omurutamoru minisita w'ebyo kwerinda Jacob Oboth yashobora enshonga habwenki bari kutwara amahega UPDF omuri South Sudan
South Sudan mu kusaba kwaffe tusinzidde kubyawandikibwa ku mateeka Article 98(1) ni Article 2010 ya Constitution ne Section 39 and 38 and 39 okulaba nti tetwetaaga okufuna nti tufuneyo ratification nti wano batuwe olukusa tekyetaagisibwa mu mateeka.
Omwombanyi ishengero yasiima entebeekanisa egi ahaba oburungi bw'ihanga lya South Sudan eriri aha murranwa.
And putting politics aside on this matter, Honorable Speaker, anyone who comes from the north, especially Acholi and West Nile, would highly support the deployment of the UPDF inside South Sudan.
Beitu hinabagira ngo kutwara omuri South Sudan tikirukwetagisa.
South Sudan kigwira abokuba nyondyo mushaho waza ku treating endwara urabanza wakora history okole examination wamara ubone diagnosis wamara kubona diagnosis ubone ku treating endwara torareba umanyiso symptoms umuntu ngwajana kugambira ati no mushije toramanya yaba rwire malaria yaba rwire pneumonia yaba mushije gura rwo mukirukano utinyona akumva zigwa malaria hati Southern Sudan bamazire myaka bamazire umwaka gumwe necweka batarashashura emishoro y'abasirikare.
Security issue of diplomacy issue of our relationship. I now want to put a question that the motion for a resolution of Parliament to support the deployment of the Uganda People Defense Forces in the Republic of South Sudan under the Memorandum of Understanding on Defense Cooperation and Status of Forces Agreement executed between the Republic of Uganda and the Republic of South Sudan.
Omurustamandwe rumwe ishengero ryahinguza loan ya milioni 900 omusente za America okushashura umeme bwanyuma ya contract yabo okwayo.
Twahinguza loan ya umeme of course ahabukuba nangwa yabegumire ahabukuba buyout bakazikora kubi bayeyendeza so aha misho batahananka aha pressure
gasha kwa Jime Muhumza
webale Jime Muhumza orukurura za sako omu district ya Shema ningashika masho officer Wilson Asasira Kafrembe arabwira bebembezi ba SACCOs omu district eji okore kiri kubasiko kurwanisa omuzego aba members okwetombwitira obuhereza ebi habigambiro bwabira ryo mu rukiko rwo kwendera umwaka no kuronda abebembezi abatya ahabwa shukisako ahabwe kitebe ekikuru ekya Kishabya muri Shuku Town Council Shema district.
Omurikikoru kishangirwa ngushoku sako ekozere yahika aha rurengo rwo kuba banka kandi n'obuhereza bwayo busimirwe
yore munonga gukora je ogumize muno gukora je ukyo
member wa board yabura kukora cyashimiye kuba nakora akanyaga board members abamwe bari hakonka abamwe benoshanga binerone ziriyo muri za 9 konga mwere kutwa benza kushitama bakiriya ringa to zero balance
anyera kubashaba ngo ebintu bya sako bigume mu sako kandi ko rahurire wagira hi wanyigwa gambiro uchukwata homwete muze umurchiko muzo mwishazi umugambira amazima umugiro twonka niyo kiti kunkoraki
sakweji eyina obuheereza bwa roni y'omutano ahabwa abahingi okubahwera okutambuza omwoga gwabo
ni agriculture tukareta esente z'abantu bo kuhinga omwani so kutwara esente z'abo kuhinga omwani twashanga omwani gwenda mu period so twagira nka tubahereze on a smaller interest rate then tubahereze obwire buringa w'emyezi 10 kugira ngo omuntu twarasharura mu kwamushanje ezaguza omwani aije tugereki
reference bureau ijo ne nkoreta home bank kandi nitusako tanditswe kugikozesa hatunurita endanga muntu yawe cyo anini tubonye twateka mu computer ko etworeka aho ine amabanja ahandi nokurushashona tuyamba kumanya batwereza ibanja nanga takwereza
obwa hati shokusako eyine ba member omutwaro gumwe n'enkumishatu rwendashatu n'omwe omu branches munana ezerumumbara nyihanga kabwohe rwanyamukinya bugamba cyabya hamwe na nyamukana
wareba performance indicators zitu shares zinzeyongera savings zinzeyongera loan portfolio neyongera because twahika billioni 16
twaboreka sente zibishirwe kuzirengere ni billioni 8 na miliyoni 4 kandi twabongera eziryo muroni kuzira billioni 16 nizkweyongeramo
gasha kwa Mike twachire
webare atwachire Michael amahegi hanga erya Rwanda gahereze kwegaranjira mu Uganda kwetaba omumpanura zebyo kwerinda impanurezi niza ku marebero bishatu ahari Gongo Country Hotel umurembo urwambarara
amahega ya Rwanda gataho mu Uganda omukasheshekeri izoba kandi gayacirwa ga Uganda ahansharo ya Mirama Hills omu district ya Ntungamo Major General Paul Muhanguzi omudomizi w'enkambi ya kabiri y'amahega ya UPDF nuwe yayebembera amahega ya Uganda omu mpanurezi kandi Brigadier Pascal Muhizi nuwe yabayebembire aga Rwanda
that we continue to relate harmoniously so as to achieve the grand objective of our commanders-in-chief and our chiefs of the defense forces, General Kainerugaba of Uganda People's Defense Forces, and the General Mubarak Muganga, the Chief of Defense Staff of Rwanda Defense Forces. This will lead to a great improvement in the way border communities relate in the aspects of security, prosperity, and the overall socio-economic transformation of our countries.
While these people are greeting you, as you are aware, they are brothers. When you come, I was telling my counterpart that when we are here, we feel at home. So since our head of state, the presidents of both countries, say that we will continue to interact and solve some small issues.
oguno murundo gwa kana kwihempanurezi zitandika hagati y'amahanga gagombiri kandi zigenderire kunyweza ebyo kwerinda na munonga hansharo z'amahanga gombi.
The last time we were here before last the council meeting, but at least we took time and then we discussed. We are happy and because the way the relationship between the sister countries is so nice and very good.
This is Uganda and particularly Tungamo district. Tungamo, which borders directly here, Rwanda, is a great beneficiary to this peace from both countries. When Rwanda is secure and safe and Uganda is secure and safe, the communities around those borders enjoy the peace that we fight for and we protect the country.
A long time ago here, the armies used to be somewhere and the citizens somewhere else. But this time, I have to appreciate our both presidents
for involving us in everything. After all, what you are doing is for us. We are the consumers of the peace that you struggle for.
Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo.
Webale Abdukarim Sengendo. Deka tugaruke tumuleho nitugaruka.
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona ngabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University, Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu rukunjiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho. Tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
yakwera utamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanyompe nkoni noshumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge noenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinywa de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkone wakinkorire
Uganda College of Health Sciences Bwindi hamwe na Uganda Nursing School Bwindi ezirukushangwa Bwindi Kanungu nibakumanyisangu bine myanya aharyabo abarkwenda kutendekwa harengo rwa certificate om laboratory nursing hamwe na certificate om midwifery na shobuzarisa diploma om clinical medicine diploma om nursing direct entry ahabwa extension program diploma in midwifery ahabwa extension program amashomo aga certificate om laboratory diploma om clinical medicine hamwe na certificate om nursing gariyo ahabwa buceka obwa scholarships amashomeraga gariyo ngatunguka okuba University ya African University of Science and Management okumanya birukuceraho terano tumushanju mukaga nshanju na munana 91
tuzi necyo kunywa kirungi nawe cyo nindebeka ngo nakikuza buri zoba nobunkuba mu office nintekwa kureba ngo kirimu umukakiriyo abeka yanjye no bacumanya ngo kituzi nekintu ekitashimiye kuba ncho buru mukayitu abandi kuba shahezi bakuza kugira ngo baza muza gym no mukuza kwirukanga nyowe nimba ubwirobwe abandi babantu basakuronde binde byo kunywa nyowe ni ndeba ngo nyene kituzi yanje mbandu kunywaho ushanga kandi nabaje munonga
ine products nyamurunje n'umuzumanya abakwenda kuhinga abakwenda kushubura abakwenda gukora ibintu byone byo kwetungura mu makaganyu abakwenda boda abakwenda school fees bank eje kigura tekiri yabamayinji bamajyana bonga so nchibanchi koreka ngo bank eje eshohwire kwereza umuntu umburi kintu cyona icyo rukubanunda gukora okukira munonga wa uri umuntu wentunguka tukukunda tukongera sente mu business tukereza obuhabuzi kugira ngo niwe oreba mugashoga banka erukora
igarabu weju tifa masako igabu eiziro kwera omukutungwire ntasiya yawe shanje butare chamuhunga bushenyi district ningoma tajigitaga buheju na kanunka branches omuri buheju district na kagarama branch omuri kagarama town council ntungamo district tera not mushanje munana mukaga not 13 not 2 Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad namashemerwa menji nitutabarusi ababona abatunjire visas kandi kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena ngwe mihendo yitu tugishazireho mpaka ahari shilingi $2,900 visa na air ticket byona bihwire kandi nituchenda abantu binji abashija n'abakazi abujuna bishiki emyaka 21 okwikariya na 5 okweracha icyenyonyi Dubai emirimo ka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amataji git gona esimu noti mushanju ina note emwe 2 3 4 5 6 ninga noti mushanju ina 5 ninga noti mushanju ina not rukumi. Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera ubuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room number 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga atano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bwo murembe nitwakira omuri Rwambara Suites umwanya bwo bugwaje no buteka umuri Mbarara City hati twigwireho conference hall iyo mutindo gwa higuru nibyo kwejinisa omunchiko nka projectors no kurire kitongore no indo mwanya go gukorera muza seminar board meetings nebindi umwanya ni Rwambara Suites conference center twine bishenje byo kuraramu ibyo mutindo gwa higuru munonga single double hamwe na executive suites ebara yo mutindo restaurant naba chef baronje munonga nitshangwa ari proti 14 Mosque Road Mbarara City esimu noti mushanju noti 3 5 nshanju na mukaga 8 ninga noti mushanju 5 noti emwe 3 nshanju 4
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kenya mutindo okurugeri izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kenya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi niyeya mutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho.
Mommy,
yes,
at school abalala babane everyone crunching
nange ku mulimu nga nkola when I'm watching my kazanyo
ndabye mbaga ya daddy
anti ku highway nga mvuga sisumagire echo shua
katinage bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Musei kwa badomu rwa katoli kundongozi na
nanywedde kano ka Luvera chawuda drink kino kigaji kyaffe kyennyini kati katyebule mutolo okolola okotyonguka kwata kano
Musei kano bakayita batya
pineapple soda drink kakamuddwa mu nanasi
bojo
mutolo va mu bya bojo tugende tulabe kakiga
bangambye omubiri munafunafu kakiga talina maanyi
kakiga bangambye tolina maanyi
ye naye nenfuno w'amaanyi butamira ku soda drink n'abawala nabo banywa obutamu
Nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erikyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo rwa certificate na diploma diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Lero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nebereba ko muntu library eyomurembe kompyuta z'ekika higuru kandi by'emizano bakabitekamo amanikari kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegyese na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe n'umwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramu ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isinjiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebe okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri mukaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kituufu olina kye walya nguza ebizigo kumpi container namba biganye nange saagala kufaanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususu lutwawudde kaibanda omusajja ngobya olususu lunnemeseza amaka gula ebizigo wiisiige ebizigo byonna biganye olususu lukulemesa amaka kiikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder efune mu maduuka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
At Advanced International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670
Twagoluma emimire ejiruma ebinywa amanyo obw'omusujja waliwo Kiramo Plus lw'amaanyi ku bulumi n'okuyamba ku mbuto eziruma asangibwa mu maduuka agatunda eddagala wonna mu ggwanga. Kiramo Plus takkirizibwa baana abali wansi w'emyaka 12 obulumi bwe bweyongera genda olabe omusawo.
Uganda Christian University, Bishop Balamu University College, Kabale, nibakweta okuleta okushaba kwawe ahabwa amashomo g'enshuro yo kwa katano omwaka ogwo. Amashomo ni gaga: Bachelors of Business Administration, Procurement and Logistics Management, Social Work and Social Administration, Public Administration, Arts in Journalism and Communication, Information and Technology, Theology and Divinity, Arts with Education, Science with Education, Bachelor of Education Secondary, Bachelor of Education Primary, Higher Education Certificate. Amashomaga galiga harurengo rwa PhD, Masters, Degrees, Diploma na Certificate okuruga omu UBTEB. Beine byo kwera beji okukoraje nka Computer Lab na Libraries za famu na Studios. Website ni www.bbuc.ucu.ac.ug. Esimu ni noti mushanju munana mwenda 11 kinana neitano nshanju neitano.
Uganda fire, Ediba fire, Ababoda fire, Amtiani fire, Nagode fire, fire, Chilekabada fire, Frenzy fire, Banana Masaka fire, Abataxi fire, fire.
Uganda fire! Buy your tickets through MTN Momo on *165*20# and come support Uganda Cranes.
Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! We are good. With MTN. We are what? Unstoppable! We are what? Unstoppable! We are good.
MTN, our football.
And our support is unstoppable!
Omburanwa hii nebitaba by'amizi ombuzaruro bw'esiri harimo umushwija gutegereze kukwata konko tatina hakuba hati hizire Mr. Vaxa omukumi w'amani w'umushwija gw'esiri emyaka minje hingwire omushwija gw'esiri nigumwa handi warezikize yo kwerarekereza amagara g'abana bitu abaryansi y'emyaka 5 niguba maramani kandi gutamagara gabo aharuteze konka hati government etireho uburyo bwo mubazi bw'umushwija omubazi bw'umushwija obwa hati nugujemwe mu dozina aha abana bameze mukaga amezi mushanju 8 hamwe na mezi 18 omubazi omwezi ogu niguha obukumi bw'amaani aha mushwija gw'amaani obuteeberwa ngo okujemesa kwa burukire nikwongera okukuuma abaana endwara nyingi z'amaani buri rugemo rwine omugasho tayarirwa rero kurihera izooba otunge obuhereza bw'okujemesa omubazi gw'omushwija Mr. Vaxa n'ogwabusha ni murungi kandi guruho okukingira abaana bitu omushwija iwe nooza kwihayo kurwanisa omushwija orikuhezayo dozi na zona kumanya bikiraho teresimu ya Ministry y'ebyamagara etari yo kushashurura eya noti 8 noti emwe noti mukaga obutumwa obu nibukukibwaho Ministry y'ebyamagara.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu's skin. Cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Barara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Mwami, waza kurgaho yejeko. Hona mazimanyi wenkabanda. Lebo musuru gwanje kugurukusha. Agara hanga taro cintatiro musuru gw'ibicorogo. Burikiri sajona nchitiremu. Murana kabumwe abazenyo nabo mukasheshe. Konka lebo musuru gwa murano lebo gwanje. Nkakugambira ngo mukakapere nandoga konka wayanga hatu wachireba.
Hata bichoni yo bikuteze nduru no yabantameno mo yabawe bichori mukaka pere mushanje nakosije musa cha crop champion taro muhinjo migandom arukweza atakosije musa cha crop champion umuhinji wen kosije musa cha crop champion abashubuzi muchanje a Joseph Farm Supplies a Kings Plaza omishoga Coopers Complex eduka namba G1 Jimset ni chango maduka gona omwihanga crop champion the farmer's best choice.
Kankwanjurire St. Lawrence Academy Schools and Colleges amashomero gomurembe agariya mutindo gwensiyona garimu St. Lawrence Citizen High School Horizon Campus iryabishibonka hariho London College of St. Lawrence hariho na St. Lawrence College Palais ejione gita honor Faransa bine na St. Lawrence High School Crown City na St. Lawrence Citizens High School Creamland Campus bine the Academy St. Lawrence Budo gine ebyobwegese ebyomurembe abashomesa barya mutindo gwensiyona hotebirwe na standby generators swimming pools zo murembe ebyo kurya n'uburaro ebyo murembe buzima amashomero aga St. Lawrence Gona ni Gashangwa hari Masaka Road.
Namakuru Archbishop Lambert Binomugisha ashaba bari mu kisibo koresa akiraka okugarura emitima yabo busya no kusima mukama ahabwentaro ezakuba barabizemu. Archbishop Lambert abire natungisa abana ko formansiyo ahari Chabirukwa omure Isingiro district.
Archbishop witware ryambara His Grace Lambert Binomugisha kugambe n'ubwabira ebembire kitambo cha mise cyo mutana hishomero rya St. Joseph Chabirukwa Primary School akujaguze kiro cyo muhirire Yosefu hamwe no kutungisa konformansiyo abana 95.
Mutaka wa masiko kana basista abantu batwa kwa masiko amasiko akumurukerezana nabandi. So our sisters, we are very, 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 very grateful to you for inspiring hope in these people.
Mwebale kunda amashomero gitu
kandi mukatwesiga mukatuhereza abana banyu
oguhona simira abasisita babikira mariya omuhabuzi omurungi abambarira habwo kutandikaho amashomero agarimu St Joseph Kyabiruka Primary School hamwe na Boni Council Girls agahwirire cyangwa mu district y'Isingiro.
ngu amagara gitu tugakundise okusiima abo kuba twantushomamisa nibagira ngu okusiima Ruhanga nitwe kugasira
kugira ngo mukora konga bito obuhereza bwanyu mu Kiliziya natwe turi umukutubangira gukora imirimo yitu no gukora nimwe nsiima tutina bugarukiro nabo cyangwa defeki kiyekereza imirimo yanyu abo kwali gasira Kiliziya yona mwebare
mukuru w'ekigombe cy'abasisita babikira mariya omuhabuzi omurungi Reverend Sister Grace Chomsha asimire mukamuba basise kukora eby'embabazi kuruga omu myaka ya kinana obukyabire kwetandikwaho.
basiima abo kwehayo mukahayo obwire bwanyu kureba ngu mwayegyesa abaana biitu mwabatamu emicwe abo kuba emicwe nicyo kintu kikuru ekirikukirirayo ebindi byona.
buri mwaka gwekereziyo omu kwezi kwa Katumba nibajaguza ekiro ky'omuhikirire Yosefu omutonganizi wa bingi kandi omuhabuzi w'ekerikwera ahabwa TV West ndi era akiza.
webare el akiza omu makora g'ebyemizano y'okutorana tiimu ezirayetaho mu mpaka za World Cup 2026 tiimu ya Uganda Cranes erizooba yasingwa Mozambique na goal 3-1 omuzano gwazanirwe muri Cairo Misiri. Uganda hati nayo garizaho Guinea aha Rwakabiri 25 kwa kashatu 2025.
The coach said that he didn't play due to bureaucratic reasons. And as Mozambique kick-off, I can't explain. That's because he didn't get his visa in time. Mozambique straight on the attack, looking to seize the initiative from the get-go. Just as well. To Mozambique, whipped in by Pepo. Oh, very, very brilliant free kick, corner kick. Unbelievable. Caught the goalkeeper unawares. What a start for Mozambique. Goalkeeper. Well, these are the starts of the 6-yard box. Perhaps that should have been a sign. But what a delivery. Look at this. Nobody in the 6-yard box. Whipped in. Goalkeeper off his line. 1-0 Mozambique. That after just, what, barely 3 minutes. Free kick. Whipped in. Good. Well, brilliant. Unbelievable. Uganda back in the game. And again, it's come from a set piece. Terrific pace and spin on the delivery. Would you believe it? Rise the opposition. Great first touch here. Not closed down quickly enough. Goalkeeper spills the cross.
Agabyemizano ngo twinire kandi ngo gatushyamherwa gacenshire turkwija kurenga hwaha tukusima munonga iwogumire nitwe Serena nuwamanya Sunday Brian n'abandi abo twabatwine ntubendeze kurara kurunje.
Tina Events.
Program okumbireba konka abantu mwazima mwatarika kunyeta okumbireba noro omuntu wano uvuga emotoka tokumbireba kibanji manyisa ngo wavuga n'omuntu ariyo naguza haraji we haraji ataba kuteka impu n'omuntu navuga naye poka kituzi drink nicyo kurya kirungi munonga nibakutusya program eji kandi batusapotingira kumara wire buringwa shinjira kumya kacupa omukashesha myango nawanoza kuba you will not regret abakwana kaza gukora je munonga abana kushanga ba president yoro Museveni ngwasangira omwana inisho cyo kutukora harugutu empire nashwara bishikano bo ino mwana inisho cyo kutukora kandi abakino noza kuvuga na president kushwazi hanga omwana kayatukurisho cye togumomuka nabwe cyo ogumwenyo kituzi president ogumuntu wagambe Tina Events abantu batwereza mega tents ezikwasa kukozesa amukoro yona hambaga harufu ahamukoro yona tente ejo nesta musabantu then go utatire muka tables. Oh my god, yes, abantu kakaga omurundo bigakusima no pakire na mama Central Market Building, room number 17, Mbaguta Street, Mbarara City. Araho ebintu byoshemere kuba hambo araho omushija mamwita kati akakorembaga aza kutwaza kurya cyamushana na agenda na ba general babiri hatwabatanje tukaho twaheza kubihayo ebyo kurya nkanasho kamonte huma nde one of the generals atereka tushabe ruhanga huma konka njire kura akata kajirebe tukujya munanye nkaza kuri ntashabire konka kaniza kujya mweno nkwate huma ishoke mo kitokidenisha so nahora I was humbled. I said ruhanga na ruhanga so obundo munso omuntu genda tweteka higuru kandi taro ijo tugire Satan group y'abasingles tugire ankore South ankore diocese kushabana na Bishop himself. Bishop himself kutereza ku parking yargo ya twachiro on parking. I said, but no, this is too much for us. He's a tambura one azrat. I said, but what? How many times you or you know on there obogina ba janyu ba we on parking yard? Parking yard de jun class. Yes. How many times obor yiro munju ya okavuga n'abantu abarkon? You know another class. Wanyitegereza. Yes. Nemrundenga hi y'abantu batahire omwawe okemerera. Atara kugira yagande ryaho ndeko mustame ryaho so ebintu ebitukoleta kwechoreza kumanya ngo araha abantu n'abantu one time nkagenda wa honorable Bright Ramna when I was packing the honorable minister ashore hey wena no mukwa kusmiling ati my brother na kwachire mpagi yankwato mkono twatamba twa nibuzo gwagwa china ya chira nyo rukurutu you know we have visited homes oshanga kandi sibonire oshanga abantu abayo barahamba deno gendo oshanga eziza ekana zeze very humble kukushanga umuntu oreba ingeri yakwa first of all agumastamire ecyakabira akwimasebo ecyakashata kakoreka okustama ecyakana naikana nakubuza no yenda now abo oganamaka abantu treating abantu ombitine saka ko treating omuntu je nakugamba je kanwa treating akubi ebya kugamba no byemanyira but omunsomu twatutambara ntwetagwa kuza hansi y'umukono gwa rahanga ngo araha abantu n'abantu nka Bishop Johnson ukwagamba nuko nkubireba iwe nubireba